Hey you all, and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, that was dry, but whatever. I hope you all missed me because I missed you. So anywho, what I'm bringing you all today is a protective hairstyle. I have been going through some struggles with my hair as of lately. I have some damage in the middle and probably scattered around in some other few places that I never noticed yet, but I noticed it when I did my hair in some 2-strand twists that in the middle the ends had thinned out a lot, and it really freaked me out and it really like disappointed me because I wasn't taking care of my hair like I was supposed to. We all have those moments, but I didn't think that my moment was gonna lead to this much damage. So I'm trying to keep my hair in protective styles for the rest of the year just to see what it does and see if it helps my hair grow, and I can trim it to trim off the damage as necessary. So what I created, well, I didn't create it, I seen something similar to this on Pinterest, and I caught myself doing it, but it didn't come out exactly the same, but I still love it the way it is. I'll give you all a little view before y'all get into y'all tutorial. If you're tired of dealing with your hair, you want something quick, you want something to protect your hair, you can do this quick little style. It did not take me long at all, and being that it is a flat twist updo, flat twists are definitely faster than cornrowing, so don't try to cornrow this. I mean, you can, it's just gonna take a little bit longer. But anywho, without continuing to ramble, because y'all know that I do that so well, let's get into this tutorial. Okay y'all, so I want to show y'all what I have already done to my hair. Of course it's in a towel because I just shampooed it, but what I used was this Cream of Nature sulfate free argan oil shampoo, and I really like this shampoo because it doesn't feel like it strips my hair, and it does actually help with detangling. I detangled with this today and it really does work, especially because I had my hair in 2-strand twists, and when I took them down I didn't comb them out because it had a twist out effect, so I left it like that and it got tangled up, so I had to detangle. I used this conditioner. It was sent to me, and I actually do really love this conditioner. For one, it has an amazing smell. I love it. But for two, it really does help with the detangling process as well. Let me see, it says hair type for thick damaged hair, and that is exactly what I have at the moment. The reason why I am doing, well, y'all know, or you may know from the title, but I am doing a protective style on my hair today, and I'm hoping to keep my hair in protective styles for the rest of the year because my hair has gotten very damaged. Hold on, let me show you guys. Well, you probably can't see yet because I'm gonna have to go up so you can see my hair, but my hair has gotten very damaged, especially in the middle. I noticed it when I was on a 2-strand twist, and I'm so disappointed that my hair thinned towards the end, and I could see where the roots is growing back out. And I didn't know that, and I guess it's from me wearing like ponytails a lot lately because I've been lazy, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna fix the problem, so I'm going to try to keep my hair in protective styles for the rest of the year. So I'm going to move the camera up so that you all can see my hair. Okay, so the camera is up on my head now, and let me take my freaking hair out of here. Okay, so let me see if I can show you guys where the damage is. I mean, it's really hard to tell when it's in its natural state, but it's damaged like right up in here. Yeah, like I said, it's really hard to tell you guys, but this is my hair, detangled of course, and I'm going to get into this. I hope you all can see me very well. Let me see how it looks when I look down. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. The first thing I'm going to do is use this Cream of Nature. It's called the Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter, no sulfate mineral oil. So I'm going to use that. I really like this as well. It has like it has a nice scent to it, but it's not a strong scent. I spray a whole bunch of this in my hair, y'all, because it really helps moisturize. Well, not moisturize it, but helps it not feel dry. And I focus a lot on this middle part because y'all know your girl is struggling at the moment, and I'm very sad about that. Okay, so now I'm going to section the hair off. I wanted to have more on this side than on the other side. I can't really see y'all. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to create a zigzag part. Okay, that's it for right now for the zigzag. I'm going to part it down all the way for right now. No, I'm not. Okay, so now I'm going to section off the right side of my hair. I know it's not completely parted, but it's good for right now, for me to get started at least. I'm going to be using 3 products. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. For one, I'm just going to use this Edge Wax, Murray's Edge Wax, for my edge control. It works really well with me. I do set it with a hairspray, but I did not bring it today, so I'm probably not going to use it, because my edges are unruly. Like, they do what they want to do, and I barely have them, if you want to be honest. The next thing I'm going to be using is this Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. This does actually hydrate my hair very well with the leave-in that I use, so don't be scared to use it. I know people say that it's supposed to have like all types of bad things in it, but what doesn't? So I'm going to use it because I spent my money on it. Then I'm going to use the Eco Styler Gel. Yeah, so let's get into it. I don't have anything else to say. I could just show you guys. What I'm going to start off by doing is where this dips down at, I'm going to part it down. Is that going to be too small? I'm going to part that down because we're flat twisting today. And then we're going to pin this section back. Now I'm going to use some of that curling cream, just about this much. I like to put a generous amount on each piece to keep it hydrated, because my hair does tend to eat up a lot that I put, everything that I pretty much put in it, it eats it up. And yes, this part is, my front of my hair used to be, hold on, make sure you're recording. The front of my hair used to be my damaged area, but it grew out over time. But now it's the middle part, and that used to be my thickest area. And I used to wish that my hair wasn't as thick as it is, but now I'm in pure regret because it's gone. I guess I put the edge control on at the end. I'm trying to see if I should twist back or forward. Let's twist it back. Okay, now you're going to take a chunk of the hair, separate it, and divide that into 2. So you have 2 strands. Now you're going to twist that right strand over the left strand. As such, drop that strand, pick up a piece of hair with that strand, and then cross. And you're going to pick up, every time you cross, you drop that other strand that's on the left side, and then pick up a piece of hair and keep going. I hope this is a good explanation. It doesn't sound like it, but every time I cross, I drop that main piece of hair, pick up a piece of hair, a small piece of hair, and then twist. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna make this one into 1. I'm not gonna lie, I got bigger towards the top, and my shrinkage is very real at the moment, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that curling cream one more time. Onto the hair. Get some Eco. And that's that on that part. Now what I want to do is I want to take some of this, hold on, I'm going to take some of this tea tree oil, tea tree and whatever the J word is, and I'm going to apply that to the scalp. I'm going to tap it down first. Apply it to the scalp. And rub it in. Now I want to pull this to the front and this to the front. I'm going to pin those out the way. And then, I know I look crazy, I'm going to pull these to the back. Actually, I'm going to twist it up like such. I'm going to twist it up like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do my edges. So this is my protective style that I'm going to wear. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm hoping that it at least lasts a week, because I really don't want to be combing in it too much because it is damaged in the middle. But all in all, it turned out pretty nicely. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to, but I really do like it. So that's all that freaking matters. And yeah, so let me give you all how it looks. And that's how it looks, you guys. As you can see in the back, well, my zigzag part isn't really zigzag, but the back is definitely a straight part because I can't see back there and I don't have a mirror to see behind me, so I'm not too much worried about it. It's just a protective style, and who gonna check me, boo? But I'm very, very excited about it, whatever, and that's that on that. But if you all enjoyed this quick tutorial on this protective style, please thumbs this video up and comment down below what you think, as well as what you would like to see from me, because I'm very open-minded and I want you to talk to me, okay? Subscribe to my channel, please. Just subscribe. That's all you gotta do, subscribe to my channel, and you will see all the bomb videos that I'm going to be dropping. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah, so what else do I have to say? I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do another video for you guys after this one, so be on the lookout for that one. And I'm done. Peace.